Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan from year 2007 to year 2017. If you need to remove or replace front windshield wipers guys, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. And the kit that we'll be using here, we'll share where we got it from. It's extremely affordable, very good price, and it comes even with a rear wiper because most people will never replace the rear wiper, and all of a sudden you're driving, okay, in winter conditions, you turn it on or it's raining and practically it's scratching your windows. Stay with us, we'll explain where we got them from for a really good price. That's where you can get tools and parts for your car guys, and you can save quite a bit of money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now let's go ahead and explain how to do that. Now you can see the wipers guys. Okay, let me come on this side. Wipers, you have two front ones, one rear ones. Everything comes here in a package, really good quality. I use them on a BMW. I bought some a year ago and still they're like brand new, but you pay only a fraction of the price for original wipers. So one of them is shorter than the other one. Okay, the passenger side is shorter guys. You can see it has the protective trim underneath it as well. Keep it that way. What you need to do now guys, you're going to grab the wiper, you're going to lift it up. Okay, lift it up like that, and when you do that, careful guys. Okay, here if you pry a little bit more, you're going to scratch your hood. Okay, check it out. So don't do that because later it will rust. What we have to do now, right here there is one notch. Press down here, okay, pull the wiper out. Now we get the new one in. It goes only one way, you can see, because it's kind of like a spoiler. I'll show you in a second. Align it. Okay, it gets really tight. You can see how it's formed like a spoiler, so when you drive fast, the wind will actually push the wipers down and they will clean really good. Pull the protective trim out. My goodness, that thing is amazing. Let's go ahead and get the other one going now on the driver's side. So what we need to do, open this one now. Okay, careful not to break your window, by the way, windshield, it's expensive. Let me give you one advice. One is not to scratch your hood. Second, when you remove the wiper, okay, never, okay, it's a little bit stuck, come on. Okay, never drop the arm on the windshield because it can crack and break easily. So we're getting the new one in. Okay, let's pull the protective film out. Brand new wipers, just like that. That's how you guys do it. If you need to buy some for a really good price, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.